have only had really good chai a handful of times in my life, but I really enjoyed it. So I bought some, but I didn't realize it was instant chai. It was not like the real thing. This one is the real deal. And when the company offered to send me a sample, I said, yes, I will take that. This makes 20 cups. You do make it from scratch, so it's not just a mix that you dissolve in water. So you're gonna boil a cup of water and 3 teaspoons of the chai mix. Then you can add ginger if you want. Simmer it for 3 minutes and then add a cup of milk. And then you have to boil and steep it for 3 minutes. And then you strain it. And then you can sweeten it with honey, you can sweeten it with sugar, or drink it just like it is. So let's open this up. And I can tell just by listening to it, it's not instant. Like, this is the real thing. So let me take my glasses off. I can smell it already, and I just barely have this open. This smells amazing. So, ooh, this is delightful. Let me show you what it looks like so you can see that it is real chai. It is decaf. So there is what the mix looks like. You can actually see you can see the tea in there, you can see the other herbs and spices, and it smells divine. This is really, really good. Like I said, well, I made myself a mess. Like I said, this will make 20 cups. And let's see, this is no caffeine, it is vegan. It contains decaffeinated black tea, green cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, and cloves. That's it. There are no additives, nothing extra in this. If you are a fan of chai, or if you've had chai a couple of times but you didn't know how to make it yourself, I think that this is a really good alternative. This is gonna taste so good when it's cold outside and you need a little pick-me-up.